3%? 5%? 20%? How much did you put down on a loan? Let's talk about that. Hey guys, welcome to video 5. Today we are going to be talking about down payments. That's a big deal. It can make a big difference in your monthly payment, but everybody has a different opinion on what you should do. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the information. I'm going to let you make that choice because that is definitely a personal choice. Hey guys, real quick before we get into the meat of the video, wanted to let you know if you have suggestions for videos, please put them in the comments. I would love to read those. I want to make sure that these videos are adding value, and so what better way to add value than to answer or address any subjects that you guys want to be addressed. Okay, let's just jump right in. Everyone has heard you got to put 20% down on a house. You don't have to, okay? It's good to. It'd be great if everybody could, but sometimes that's a big sum of money. Okay, Ryan, you're right. I do not have the ability to save 20%. Well, I'll push back there just a little bit. If you're not in a rush to buy a home, my advice to you would be look and see what kind of home that you like. Look at the price range, where you want to live, the area that you want to live in, see what the average price range is for that area, and then say, okay, well, what would 20% of that average number be? If the average house price in that area is $250,000, then you know you've got a $50,000 goal. 5% down is traditionally, the lowest you can go on a conventional loan. Okay, we'll talk about loan programs, VA and FHA here in just a minute, but normally 5% is the lowest you can go on a conventional loan. With the 5% down payment, here's some things that you need to know. One, obvious, your loan amount is going to be higher, your monthly payment is going to be higher. Two, once you go below 20%, anything below 20%, there's going to be mortgage insurance. I'm not going to get into mortgage insurance right now. That's for a later video, but mortgage insurance is an additional charge tacked on to your monthly payment that doesn't secure you in any way. Okay, so let's talk about 0% down and 3% down very quickly. Normally when you're talking 0% down and 3% down, you're talking a VA loan for 0%, you're talking a FHA loan for 3%. Those programs have their own guidelines for different premiums that are charged to use them and different mortgage insurance rates that are used when you go with that kind of program. So again, not talking about mortgage insurance right now, not talking about VA loans right now. I just want you to know that if you are a veteran, there's a 0% option. If you only have 3% to put towards a house and you really need to get out of your in-laws house because you're having your third kid and you guys need a space of your own, then there's an option for you at 3%. Again, your payment will be higher, your loan amount will be higher, but sometimes that's worth it to have your own space to call home. Okay guys, that's it. Video 5 is done. Short and sweet. Just wanted to let you know what those options are. Sometimes, I know this may seem elementary to some people, but you know, a lot of times you've got to remember that there's people out there who have never thought about having a home and they've been given some misinformation. And so I hope that today you were given some information. Remember, you've got over 20, 20 and over, you've got under 20, you've got 3, and you've got 0. Again, if you have any suggestions for any topics you'd like to see covered, leave them in the comments below. If you have any questions, please also leave those in the comments below. Would love to address those for you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Was that $10,000? No. 20, what is 5% of? Yeah, it was $10,000.